Hi everyone, I'm Tara Delicia, and I'm here with another unboxing of LUVME Hair, the affordable luxury wig. This is what the box looked like. This purple box. It came with a purple bow, but I was so excited I broke the bow by accident. So let's see what's in here. It starts off with, okay, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of LUVME Hair. Oh, that's cute. It's not like it's my first. This is my second wig, y'all. So it comes with, the hair unit comes in a big purple sachet bag. And I think that's cool because instead of me wrapping it up, putting it in a plastic bag or whatever, but this keeps it really tight. Mind you, I've already opened this up. I never worn it, but I'm doing this review. So this is the Headband Wig Deep Wave. Let's see, because I don't want to tear the... Okay, here we go. When I opened it, I thought it was so cute, and I'm trying to unravel it. Got caught in the comb, y'all. Okay, here we go. So it comes in, this is the color of deep black, I believe. And let's see, before we put it on, let's see what else we got. Okay, it comes with 5 extra headbands. Let's see. Now before I open it, this goes in. And it comes with a cute little LUVME Hair little bag. And it has some goodies in it. Well, with a head cap, a wig cap, and some information about your lovely hair, instructions how to take care of your unit. And let's see what's in here. You have a little scarf, hair cap scarf, purple. You have an elastic band, extra elastic band, and an edge smoother. Well, today I'm not doing edges, so bobby pins, tweezers, just to tweeze them out a bit, and a LUVME hair clip. That's cute. Okay, wait. Okay, let's pull all the stuff up because I don't want to lose none of it. So let's see what kind of headbands you have. They look like solid colors, which is cool. You have the purple, you have the black, red, orange, and pink. Oh, cute colors. I love this color. Alright, so we're going to try it on. So I'm going to cut off this video so you won't be seeing all this, but alright. Hey guys, I'm back. Now I'm going to install the unit. So simple, so easy. Like 1, 2, 3, Z. I took off my glasses and my earrings, so I won't be snagging nothing, get caught up. So you want to make sure this is in there, and you got the Velcro. Turn this around. Make sure it's on securely. I would recommend that you guys have like a hair clip or something, but I was just in a hurry trying to try this on you guys. Okay, there we go. It's fast on securely. I like it, y'all. And I'm going to try one of my headbands on. I'm going to do this color. I'm loving it. Okay, you guys, I love it. I had to cut off the video just to make some adjustments to it. But so far, so good. I like it. I don't know if I want to wet it, but I trust it. It's really soft, you guys. Look. So soft. And you can run your hands through it. Just add a little water. I don't have a spray bottle, y'all, so please don't judge me. So, I just added a little water. Yeah. I like it, y'all. Yeah, I love it. No shedding. Usually when you have wigs, they're shedding. No shedding. So you guys, tell me how you like this unit. And you can find this on LUVMEHair.com. Yeah, you can find deals on there. Sometimes they have run promos. You also, if you're like a budget-friendly person like me, you get it for Afterpay. You can do it on payments through Afterpay. And I love it. Just make sure you make your payments on time, boo. Yeah, so I love it. So, you guys, this is my review for LUVME Hair. Make sure if you guys are fashionistas, divas, whatever you want to call yourselves, or a boss, make sure you go to LUVMEHair.com. I love my hair.